wow.
Hi, Rob.
Boy, you accented this piece.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
everybody. So this is what I see the way he's using these accents, all of these. I mean, you're going to town on this baby.
Wow, yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. And look how it works. I mean, look how it makes your whites still feel white, but they have some juice to them. You know, there's something yummy in them.
I use the metallic gold paper.
Oh, wow. You use the gold paper? I can't even see it.
It's a silver, actually. It's
Oh, okay.
white silver. Yeah.
See, I like the pinks you have in her face. So see everybody how he's got like an orangey pink and then a more magenta pink. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what the accents do to your color. It's a way of, because you know it's actually a theory that artists kind of go to town on. So really, even if you look at your photographs, especially if you take a photograph on a sunny day with hard light and really crisp cast shadows, look at all the edges, even in your photograph, and you'll see little orangey, yellowy things happening on the edges, and that's actually real. The newer cameras capture it better than the older ones do, but I notice it all the time, and I didn't notice it before. I started painting them, and I said, wait, well, Wayne Thiebaud is actually doing something that's real. They call it simultaneous contrast. You're really, really grasping that here very much. So that's just another feather to put in your cap right there.
How do
Great
you
looking.
how do you spell one Tebow? I always wonder.
Oh, it's Theiboud, Baud.
Eaud. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
kind of weird. I wonder if that's French. Thibault?
Tebow.
I don't know. But anyway, great values, great colors. You nailed it. And I can't believe you're painting on silver. I can't even see it. Does it shimmer a little bit when you look at it live?
Yes, it is. I try not to cover all the white part that was still unpainted. You can see the original white. Uh, I use only maybe 90% transparent colors. I did use a little bit gouache at the end, towards the end, to recover some white.
Uh-huh.
But not much, not much. It's mainly on the skirt.
Right.
The chest
Yeah.
part, I didn't use any white, just
So how did you cover the silver?
oh, it's just silver colored but silk textured paper. It's just like a canvas paper. It has texture on the paper. It's the same thing.
So it's actually pretty light,
Yeah, it is white.
like
I think I
iridescent.
sent you one. I don't know what color I sent it to.
Yeah.
You can take a
Oh,
look.
you sent me gold. Yeah.
Oh, gold. Okay. Yeah, the white silver. Maybe next time I'll send
Lighter.
it so you can see.
Well, excellent work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I really like this piece.
Yeah.
The,
Well, good. I
colorful
was a
white.
little bit, I was a little hesitant because I know it's not an easy piece to do. I mean, for everyone and
Yeah, I think it's basically
good lesson.
90% white, right?
It's a good lesson, and I think everyone should know about her. So
Yeah.
I want to know more. I want to do some more research on her.
Oh yeah, this artist I never heard of. Thank you for
Yeah.
introducing
And
her.
I would like to find out where she's showing back east somewhere.